In reality, this varies from client to client. But as an executive assistant, you need to be efficient. You need to also know how to have boundaries with your client. Kasi syempre, sure, you will take care of your client, pero yung mundo mo ay hindi naman yung client
Doon
mo
umiikot.
lang, di ba?
Yes.
Now, when your client is traveling, syempre, you also have to adjust, and that is fine, but that doesn't mean that you have to be available buong araw or, the entire day for your client.
Quantity doesn't equate quality. Na hindi naman pag 24 hours kang nag-work for your client, quality work ba yun? Wala ka ng tulog. Buong araw kang available sa client mo. Na-compromise na yung health mo, yung tulog mo, hindi ka na maka-work efficiently and with quality. So, yun.
That's true.